Okay, once we're ready to fold up and store the Perfect mARC winger, you're going to want to disengage the elastics, remove the quick release pins from the frame, and retract the shooting column. Nice and easy. Let gravity do the work. We're going to do the same on the legs until we've retracted it all the way. Now we're going to hook our top elastics onto the hooks. We're going to make sure that we keep our bottom elastics free of the frame. We're just going to let that close up on itself. Then we're going to hook the elastics on the bottom cross keeper tabs. Lastly, we're going to engage our quick release pin that was holding the frame together into the frame all the way through to hold it nice and tight on one side and on the other. And now you can see it retracts up to a nice stowable compact size that you can fit in your SUV or the back of your pickup. And that's the Perfect mARC winger. Gear up at perfectmarc.com.